This is a single arm crossbody supine grip tricep extension. Set your cable up on the highest point you can, get kind of close to it. Let's go light to moderate weight while you're getting the feel of this. And you're gonna grab it with your outside arm. We're gonna do this in a staggered stance with your right leg back unless I tell you otherwise. We're gonna do about a big toes linked back on the right foot. Soft knees, long exhale. Find your stack and your obliques. And then give me a slight hinge so you can load the right glute by pushing into the inner foot contacts on the right leg, in this case, the back leg, the right leg, okay? You're gonna get your body set up in this position, and then you're going to make sure that your shoulder that you're gonna be doing the extension with is unshrugged. We wanna scoop that shoulder blade underneath so you feel some serratus here, and you wanna keep that serratus on for the whole time so that you're not shrugging up into your traps. If you get set up and you do this right, you can reach back here and feel that your trap is kind of spongy. You're not activating or activating the traps or rolling the shoulders forward, just like this. So hold this position, slight hinge, heavy in the right heel, inhale, exhale. Abs are on the whole time. Keep your palm facing the cable line, so perpendicular, going across the body just like this. Make sure that your wrist isn't curling. Try to keep all the movement at the elbow, which is why you don't need to go super heavy with this. Let's go nice and slow with the breathing. This can be a mobility drill along with a nice pump for your tris. That's how it's done.
Very nice, I like.